Hello everybody, welcome back. Got another interesting video. I've had these Worktunes headphones for, God, must be 6-7 years now, and I use them a lot and I like them a lot, but the battery lately is definitely on a state of decline. When this thing was new, it would last days between chargings, and now I'm at the point where I can't even get a day out of it, several hours and the battery's kaput. So I went out to that famous World Wide Web and tried to get some information, and it looks as though the batteries are available and these are disassemblable. Not a lot of good information on how you actually get them apart. I'm under the impression this area will pop off where this yellow band is, and I have a few tools that you can get in an automotive supply store, and I'm thinking I can maybe get in here and pop these off. So let's see how lucky we get. This knob that's captured by the holder actually is slotted. It's not round, so if you tip it 90 degrees, you're supposed to be able to pull it off a little bit easier. Yeah, so it's a little narrower in this direction than in that direction. So there's a little bit of a lip down here, and I'm wondering if I can pry up. Oh, look at that. Popped right off. And this, in theory, is just sitting here. And there you have it. And I'm told the battery is under this assembly. You have to take these 3 screws out. So this is a T6 bit. Seems to be the correct size. And these are coming out without much of a fight, which is good. And these screws are different. The top one is shorter than this bottom one. And that seems to be the same size as the other bottom one. Oh, I see. So those screws out, this side comes out. And that's what we have. Well, unfortunately, I think I just broke this. I opened up the other side, and you can see in there, there's the battery. Unfortunately, it looks as though there's a area where wires are coming through, and they have some schmutz or some schmoo to hold the wires in place, and by pulling it out this far, it looks like I've disconnected a couple of those wires, and my headphones no longer work. So that's really disappointing. But anyway, yeah, the battery's on this side. It doesn't look as though it's replaceable, at least not easily replaceable. So that's a shame. Well, I'd like to offer a little bit of an epilogue to this misadventure. I did pull this apart a little bit more, and hopefully you can kind of get an idea what's in there. This yellow gold thing is the battery, and it actually does have a connector on it. It looks like if you could get to it, you could probably pull that out and replace it without a lot of fanfare. Unfortunately, the problem is up here with these teeny-weeny wires. First, when I was pulling it apart, I wasn't able to get this free, although I don't think that would have made a difference. It's free now. The real issue is, if I can hold this right to show you, the real issue is you have these teeny-weeny wires in here, and these are like the diameter of a human hair. They're very, very fine, and I think there's 3 of them in there, and they're glued to this side of the case, and yet the board they're attached to is on this piece of the case. So even if I could have gotten this free, I still would have broken the wires. I'm not sure why these had to be glued to this side. It almost looks like 3M was trying to sabotage anybody that might be trying to replace the battery. I did go back and redo some of my research to see if I had overlooked something. I found that this battery is available with what looks to be that connector on it. I did not find anybody that gave you detailed instructions on how to replace it. Best I can tell, unless you are very skilled with a soldering iron and have all the proper tools, I think this would be a difficult repair. I may be inclined to try to resolder these wires, although it's probably more work than I want to get into. And that's what I got. Like I say, I'm a little disappointed. I did order a replacement for these guys, and I'm waiting for them to show up. But for those of you out there that are wondering if this battery is replaceable, the answer is yes, but unless you are very skilled or unless yours is assembled differently than mine, you're probably going to break it trying to replace the battery. I did not find a site where you could send these off and have the battery replaced, although the cost of the battery seems to be about half the price of the headset itself, so I'm not sure how much economics it would make. So anyway, appreciate you coming by. I hope this helps somebody out there that's wondering the same thing that I was wondering. And feel free to leave a comment. You know, I love to read them. Let me know maybe how I can make videos like this a little more effective. If you have a question, maybe I can even answer it. As always, I appreciate you checking out my videos. As I always say, stay safe, take care, and keep your eyes out for the next one.